folks, welcome to the Drombeg Stone Circle, a place that has been intact since the Bronze Age.
Located between beautiful Glandore and Rosscarbery, just an hour away from Cork City, Drombeg is one of the most visited megalithic sites in Ireland. The whereabouts of this ancient site were actually uncertain until 1957, when the stone circle was finally excavated and became part of the Irish National Monument Service. But before we go any further, let's discover what the stone circles actually were and what was their use. The practice of aligning standing stones started in the late Neolithic, and traces can be found all across Europe, from Ireland to Bulgaria. The most famous and iconic stone circle worldwide is Stonehenge, which is a UNESCO heritage site since 1986. There is no real consensus among the experts about their actual use. Although many believe that these circles were used for ceremonies or rituals, some experts suggested they had astronomical purposes, as some sites perfectly aligned with the sun or the moon. A smaller number of stone circles acted as burial chambers as well. Stone circles in Ireland are mainly located in the Cork Kerry area or in Mid-Ulster. In the Cork Kerry area, they are normally referred to as axial stone circles. Drombeg originally had 17 stones, but only 13 survived to these days. The two tall stones mark the entrance to the site and are opposite to the recumbent axial stone, the large flat stone that you see now on screen. These stones are specifically arranged this way for a reason. The axis of the large stone is oriented in the direction of the setting sun on midwinter solstice. Astronomers found out that every 18.5 years the moon appears to be closer to the Earth than usual, and gets perfectly framed between the two standing stones and the recumbent one. This led experts to believe that stone circles could have both astronomical and ceremonial uses. During the excavation works, an inverted pot was found right at the center of the circle. Inside were the remains of an adolescent, wrapped in clothes. It is unclear if Drombeg was used as a burial site, or if, in a darker twist, sacrifices were made here. Drombeg is particularly interesting because of the presence of a Fulach Fiat next to it. Fulach Fiats are Bronze Age mounds with a typical cooking pit and spaces for huts and dwellings. This Bronze Age kitchen was quite peculiar. By dropping red-hot stones into the small pool, over 250 liters of water would boil in just 18 minutes. The villagers would then gather around the pool and boil meat in the water. Congratulations for making it to the end of the video. If you liked it, please leave a like and a comment, and maybe consider subscribing to the channel. Until the next video, ciao bedazzi.